Goodell, the world's first portable toilet cleaning robot. From Alton Robotech, Goodell safely and systematically cleans the hard-to-reach places in your toilet bowl, including the rim, using a pawing motion to scrape the entire surface. The inner rim around the entire bowl, fully under the rim to remove the most difficult spots. The entire bowl, using circular and wavy patterns to effectively clean every inch, all the way down to the exit drain, for a sparkling clean toilet.
For many people, skiing is more than a pastime, it's a passion. And there's people who are having their experiences cut short because of what their bodies will allow them to do. That's where we come in. The device has two main parts. The first part is a backpack, just like any normal backpack. And the second is a part that goes on your legs. You connect it to your boot, strap it to your thigh, turn it on, and you're ready to go. From there, as you're skiing, it feels like skiing. It's gonna sense what you're doing as you're going down the snow and respond accordingly. It's essentially like intelligent shock absorbers for your legs. It's gonna see that you're turning or that you're going straight down a hill and then attempt to mimic what your quads are already doing and take load off your legs. So the great thing about these devices is you turn them on and you essentially forget them. It disappears on your leg. You can pick the lines that you wanna take, you can hit turns harder, you can catch that edge. It feels like you're doing what you want to do, and the device is just there to help you. We're building a device to help you push your barriers, and for each person that's different. For a high-performance skier, that means one thing. You may, after injury, want to get back out on the slopes sooner. You might want to ski longer for practice sessions. For a casual skier, they would use a device like this to be able to spend more time out on the snow, and not have the pain associated with their knees or fatigue be the thing that keeps them off. For the aging skier, to honestly ski the way they did 5 years before, not let fatigue or knee pain be the thing that pulls them off the slopes. But in the end, the goal is to keep you in control and feeling like you're connected to the snow and experience skiing like you haven't before.